The money conversation nobody wants to have. And I'm not talking about with your partner, or your parents, or your friends. I'm talking about with yourself. When was the last time you sat down and asked yourself the hard questions? How much do I actually make? How much do I actually spend? How much do I actually have left at the end of the month? Most people don't know the answers. And it's not because they're bad at math. It's because they're afraid of what they'll find. Knowing the truth means you can't pretend anymore. You can't tell yourself it's fine. You can't keep hoping it will magically work out. Avoidance feels safe, but it's the most expensive choice you can make. Every month, you avoid the conversation, you lose money, subscriptions you forgot about, spending you didn't notice, leaks that keep draining you because you never looked. The cost of not knowing is brutal. Years pass, nothing changes. You wonder why you're still broke when you work so hard. Here's the truth. The conversation isn't as scary as you think. It takes 15 minutes. And on the other side of it is freedom. Once you know your numbers, the anxiety goes away. You're not guessing anymore. You're not hoping. You're seeing. The Finance Reset Toolkit makes the conversation simple. You enter your income. You enter your expenses. It shows you exactly what's left, your real surplus, the truth. No judgment, no shame, just numbers on a screen that finally tell you where you stand. Then it goes further. You can simulate changes. What if you cut this expense? What if you added income? You see your future change based on choices you make today. People who finally had the conversation say the same thing. Why did I wait so long? It wasn't as bad as I thought. And now, I actually have a plan. If you're ready to have the conversation, hit the like button, comment truth below, and subscribe for more. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit and face your numbers today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.